In this video, I'll guide you on how to earn $2,197 simply by listening to music, presenting one of the simplest methods to generate income online. Curious about how it works? We're about to dive in. This is your guide to earning for $50 per song just by listening to music. Interestingly, only a small fraction of my video viewers are subscribed. So, if you find value in this video, consider subscribing with notifications turned on. It's free, and you can always opt out later. This way, you'll be notified whenever I share a new and innovative strategy to earn money online, allowing you to be among the first to implement it and, naturally, maximize your earnings. Let's get started. Firstly, navigate to SoundCloud.com. This website allows you to discover and listen to various music and songs. The best part, it's absolutely free. You don't need to spend anything to sign up on SoundCloud. As you can see, there's a plethora of trending music available in different languages for you to enjoy. What's even better is that you can download SoundCloud onto your smartphone. Whether you're an Android or iPhone user, you can download the app for free. If you're using an Android phone, go to the Google Play Store, search for SoundCloud, Music and Audio, and download the app that looks like this. Make sure you download the correct app. If you're an iPhone user, you can go to the Apple App Store and download the same app. I'd love to know what type of device you're using. Are you an Android or iPhone user? Please comment below. Moving forward, once you've downloaded SoundCloud onto your smartphone, you can start discovering and exploring a variety of music. Inside the app, I typically scroll down and click on Explore Trending Playlists. This will take you to a page where you can find all the trending music categorized into different genres. If you want to listen to music from a specific category, just click on it and you'll be directed to the respective page. To begin, click the play button to start enjoying the music. This song is part of a playlist with 50 tracks, all of which can be accessed on your smartphone or computer. Now that you know how to find music on SoundCloud, let's explore azlyrics.com, a platform where you can search for lyrics of various songs. For instance, if you're looking for the lyrics of Light Switch by Charlie Puth, simply type in the artist's name or song title and select the song from the drop-down results. You'll then be directed to a page where you can listen to the song and view its lyrics. Take note of this part. The song title is displayed, followed by its full lyrics. This presents a fantastic opportunity for you to listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. For a simple song, typically between 2 to 4 minutes long, you can earn money repeatedly just by transcribing. Consider this: you'll earn $1.50 for every minute of audio you transcribe into lyrics. Given that the average song length is about 3 minutes, you could earn $4.50 per song. Next, visit Rev.com, a website offering various transcription job opportunities. Here, you can find jobs in categories like transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. Once you've listened to the music and transcribed it into lyrics, you'll get paid for every minute of audio you transcribe. Stay tuned as I'll be introducing several free software that can do all the work for you. Back on Rev.com, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Freelancers under the About section. This will take you to a page where you can earn money online by transcribing or captioning from home. The beauty of this website is the flexibility it offers. Work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. You can choose projects that interest you and receive weekly payouts for all completed work directly into your PayPal account. You'll notice two job categories on this website: Transcriptionist and Captionist. Select Transcriptionist and click on Learn More for more information. To sign up and start transcribing, simply enter your first name, last name, email address, and country. They accept people from all over the world, so you can take advantage of this opportunity no matter where you are. Lastly, I'd love to know where you're watching this video from. Please leave a comment below with your country. In order to cater to your region in my upcoming videos, I can create specific content. I'm going to introduce you to another website that can help you increase your earnings by transcribing, potentially doubling your income. GoTranscript.com is a site where you can register, listen to music, and earn money by transcribing the lyrics. Just visit GoTranscript.com, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and click on Work. They offer competitive rates for online transcription jobs. For instance, they pay 60 cents for every minute of audio or video, which means you could earn $1.80 for transcribing a typical 3-minute song. There are numerous benefits to working with GoTranscript.com to start earning. Simply click on the Apply Now button to sign up for a free account. You'll be directed to a page where you can create your account by entering your email, address, and password. A bonus tip I'd like to share is to register on multiple platforms like GoTranscript.com and Rev.com. This way, you can access more job opportunities globally. Once you've registered on both sites and are ready to earn money by transcribing music into lyrics, the next step is to visit OTRAnscribe.com. This free web app simplifies the transcription process. Click on the blue button to start transcribing. All you need is a link or a downloaded music file. For instance, if you visit SoundCloud.com to find music to transcribe, you'll find a share button. Clicking on this button will open a box where you can find a link to the music track. Copy this link and download the music file. The next step is straightforward. Click on the button to upload the music file you just downloaded. This free tool will help you transcribe the entire soundtrack automatically, though you may need to manually correct occasional grammatical errors. Another bonus tip to boost your earnings is to visit Rev.com. As you'll see, a typical transcription job pays $1.50 per minute. However, foreign subtitles pay between $3 and $7 per minute. These higher rates are due to the challenge of transcribing music from various foreign languages into English. This leads us to DeepL.com, a free online translator. You can use this tool to translate music from foreign languages into English, such as Portuguese music, or vice versa, translating English music into any language you want, like French, German, Spanish, or any other language.